welcome back to your English class. I am back again. Who am I? What's my name? You know it. I am your Paramita ma'am, right? Yes. So as I have told you, today we are going to do conversation and we will do some handwriting work. Now I have to share with you a few things, then I will begin. So yesterday you have already got your syllabus for conversation and handwriting, right? So those pages we will do accordingly. For handwriting I'm saying, okay? Now in handwriting what you have to learn now, you will learn to join the letters. Single letters you will join with the other letter, okay? And frame words. So for handwriting, make sure you use 4 lines. Okay? Pencil bolchi handwriting এর জন্য 4 lines draw করে দেবেন পেজে, white পেজে, or else use 4 line copy. Okay? And now onwards we will start writing words. So it comes under letters and words. Tracing we will do. We will write the words by ourselves. We will see how to write in the lines using the proper lines. Clear? We will write in capital letter, we will write in small letter. So all these things we will do in handwriting. Now come to conversation. Now in conversation I have shared the questions which are going to come, what we are going to learn for our half yearly syllabus. What is the syllabus? We have conversation book. This is the book. This is the book you have, right? So here, so what we will do, page number 4, question number 1, 6, 8, 9, which we have already done. Then we will do page number 5. We have question number 1, 2, 3 and 5. Then what we have, question number 1 to 5, 6, 7, 8 in page number 6. Then page 3 which we have already completed. Question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 6 and 7. Then question number 1, 2, 3, 4 in page number 9. And in page 23 we have question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So gradually, slowly we will do all the questions. So today I thought of revising whatever we have done and let's introduce one more chapter. So what is there? See, conversation is what? You have to speak. In a particular language. So you are learning English. So if someone is asking you any question, you have to answer back, right? If someone is asking you something, you have to answer back. আমার কথা বুঝতে পারছো UKG students? কেউ কিছু জিজ্ঞেস করলে তোমাকে আনসার দিতে হবে তো? So how will you answer? That you will learn. Okay? So what are the things we have learned? See, first about yourself you have to know. Who are you? What is your name? Where do you study? In which class do you read? What's your parents' name? Parents means father and mother. Parents means father and mother. Right? What's your favorite color? What's your house name? Who is your favorite teacher? You have to learn this now? Yes. So if I ask you, what is your name? You will say full sentence. My name is dash. I will say my name is Paramita Banerjee. So you will say your name. Come on, repeat after me. My name is dash. Done? Then, where do you live? কোথায় থাকো? Where do you live? If someone is asking you, what you will say? I live at, I will say Boral. What you will say? Let's try out. Let me see how many are answering. I live at Boral. What about the other students? Some will say I live at maybe Korea someplace. some will say in Jaipur. So you will write your own place name. Then what is your father's name? You already know. Abar naam ki? You know it now. So you will say my father's name is dash. Then what is your mother's name? What you will say? My mother's name is dash. So repeat. Okay, I hope UKG students, you are repeating after me. Yes, so keep on saying the answer. When you watch this video, keep on saying the answers, then you will learn fast. Okay, next question number 4 done, then 6 and 7. Okay, how old are you? So you will share your age. So you will say I am maybe 5 years old or maybe 6 years old, whatever. So I guess it's 5 only. So if it is 5, you say 5. If it is 4, you say 4. If it is 6, you say 6. Clear? So you will share your age. So if someone is asking, suppose I am only asking, Nahid, can you tell me how old are you? What you will say? Then you have to answer. No, you will say you will say I am 5 years old. Clear? If I ask Jigisha, how old are you? What you will say? You will say I am 5 years old, 6 years old. Okay? Yes. Now, very important question. Girls and boys, you are always excited about this question. When is your birthday? What do you get on your birthday? You get lots and lots of gifts, cookies, chocolates, and most importantly, cake. Beautiful cake, right? Strawberry cake, chocolate cake, truffle cake, right? So you have to know when is your birthday. When is your birthday? Every year, that day you celebrate, right? So I should also know that. So let's share. Someone is asking, if someone is asking you, when is your birthday? How will you reply? Again you will say, my birthday is on, like if I have to say, what I will say, I also celebrate my birthday like you all. I also get lots of gifts, chocolates. Now how will I say my birthday is on, say suppose if I share my birthday 1st November. So what you will say, you may have on 2nd May, you may have on 3rd October, you may have on 15th August, anything can be, right? So you will share your birthday in this way. My birthday is on. So next when I meet you, all will share your birthday. Clear? So this chapter, we will do it in this way. We have already done in GK also. Let's go for the next one. Come to page number 4, we have question number 1, question number 6, question number 8 and 9. Let's see. So 1, what is there? Now the topic says good manners. Like good habits you have. You wash your hands before eating, after eating. Then you brush your teeth twice daily, early in the morning, before going to bed, right? So these are your good habits. You drink maybe 4 glasses of water every day, that's a good habit. You eat healthy food, it's a good habit. You wake up early in the morning, that's a good habit. You go to school, you freshen up. So these are all good habits. Same way you have good manners. How will I say you are good? How will you say that, ma'am, you are very good? How will you say, tell me? Like for example, elders who are there, those who are elder to you, like your parents, your teachers, maybe your elder sister, brother, your cousin, your uncle, auntie, grandparents, they are all your elders. They are all your elders. Elders মানে যারা তোমার থেকে বয়সে বড়, ঠিক আছে? মা, বাবা, দিদি, দাদা, দাদু, দিদা, right? কাকা, কাকিমা, রাইট? সো আঙ্কেল, আন্টি, প্যারেন্টস, এরা সবাই বড়, তাই তো? সো দে আর কল্ড elders. They are called elders. Come on, repeat after me. They are called elders. Okay? So if I ask you, do you obey your elders? মানে তোমরা কি তোমাদের বড়দের কথা শোনো, রেসপেক্ট করো? What you will say? No ma'am na yes ma'am? Yes ma'am you will say na? So what is the answer? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Come on, repeat after me. Do you obey your elders? Yes, I do. I do. What about you? Yes, I do. Okay? Do you keep your room clean? So what you will say? Yes, I keep my room neat and clean. Bedroom, নিজের বেডরুম যেখানে প্যারেন্টসের সাথে থাকো, ওটা কি নোংরা করে রাখো? No ma'am, you keep the place neat and clean, right? So what you will say? Yes, I keep my room neat and clean. I keep my room neat and clean, right? Yes. Next, do you brush your teeth every day? Yes, I brush them twice a day. I brush them twice a day. Now you can write, yes, I brush my teeth every day. This is also correct. You can write, I brush my teeth twice a day. Correct. Okay? So everything is correct. If you write in this way also, no problem. Whatever you can, you write that. Yes, I brush my teeth. Correct. Okay? Next, do you take a bath every day? Yes, I take a bath every day. And we have done this in our GK class also, EVS class also, right? So we know these answers, right? So do you brush your teeth every day? Yes, ma'am. Yes, I brush my teeth every day. Next, do you take a bath every day? Yes, I take a bath every day. Clear? So good manner, these questions we will do. Clear? Next, come to page number 5. What are the questions? 1, 2, 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3 and 5. Let's see. Where is your house? So my house is at. Where is your house? Same like where do I live? So your house is also there. So I live at Boral. So I will say my house is at Boral. What you will say? Come on, share your answer quickly, fast. Okay, so where is your house? What you will say? The same answer like I live at. একই answer দুটো না? কোথায় থাকি? বাড়ি কোথায়? Next, what is the color of your house? So outside you can see no beautiful colors, right? Your house is painted with different color, so you will share that color. I will say my house is yellow in color. My house is yellow in color. So you will share red, blue, green, orange, anything, black, white. Okay? Next, question number 3. How many rooms are there in your house? Whatever. So you will share that there are 2 rooms in my house. There are 3 rooms in my house. There are 4 rooms in my house. Maybe there are 6 rooms in my house. There is 1 room in my house. Can happen. Okay? So কার বাড়িতে কটা রুম আছে কাউন্ট করে এখানে লিখে নেবে quickly. Okay? Yes. So I will write I have 2 rooms in my house. Done? Next, question number 3 done. Now 5. Do you have a garden in your house? So garden is what? যেখানে তোমরা খেলতে পারবে, যেখানে you plant trees, right? Greenery, grass, nice environment is there. You can see birds chirping, right? So if you have a garden, you will say yes. If you don't have, you will say no. like me, I don't have, so I will say no. So yes, there is a garden in my house, or else no, there is no garden in my house. So I will say no, there is no garden in my house. Okay, what you will say? I think most of you will say yes, I have a garden in my house. So write this also in the book. Okay, now till this much we have already completed. Till this much we have already completed. Now come to another topic called about your school. About your school. So this topic we are already doing in one of our subjects, right? Topic ta amra korchi to school niye, right? So we can answer this quickly, huh? Chalo, let's start. Where is your school? My school is at Jainpur. Now Jainpur spelling, it is Jayanpur. Clear? So my school is at Jainpur. Done? Next, what is your school name? Or what is the name of your school? The name of my school is DePaul School, Jainpur. My school name is DePaul School, Jainpur. Both are correct. Whatever you have learnt, you write that. Okay? Next, who is your principal? Now you need to know this. Who is your principal? Who is that? Do you know him? He is, what is his name? Father Ajay Lakra. Father Ajay Lakra is our principal. All of you repeat after me. Come on. This is very important question which you have to by heart. Come on, start. Father Ajay Lakra is our principal. Once again. Father Ajay Lakra is our principal. You know the spelling of father? Father. Ajay. Ajay. And Lakra. Lakra. Okay? So Father Ajay Lakra is our principal. Done. Next question. What is that? When does your school start? When does your school start? My school starts at 8:30 a.m. 8:30 a.m. Write down quickly. 8:30. First you will write 8. Then you will give a dot. Then you will write 30. Then in small letters what you will write? A.m. Clear? Next. When does it get over? So when it is getting over, that time also you should know it gets over at 12:40 p.m. 12:40 p.m. 12:40 p.m. Clear? Next, do you like your school? Everybody will say yes, ma'am, we like our school. So what you will say? Yes, I like my school. Yes, I like my school. Okay, so here it is given dash like my school. Yes, I like my school. Just add I here. Okay, I like my school. Clear? So these are the questions which we have learned today in our English conversation class. We have revised the previous questions, and now today we have done about our school. This also we have already done in our other subjects, right? So next class again, when I will take conversation, we will do the other topics. Okay, now what you have to do, write all the answers that I have shared now in the book itself. Clear? What you have to by heart, the way it is given here, same way you have to learn the answers. In fill in the blanks form it is given. In fill in the blanks form it is given. So we will also do in fill in the blanks form. Come to this chapter, chapter 2. All of you come to this chapter, chapter 2. Now underline like this. It is not given in fill in the blanks pattern. So just underline. Parents ke bolo, mama ke bolo, mama tadri amar sathe kore nebe. Okay? So let's start. Do you obey your elders? Yes, I do. So yes is your blank. Next. Do you keep your room clean? Yes, blank. I keep my room neat and clean. So neat and tidy. Sorry, not neat and clean. Neat and tidy. This is blank again. Clear? Next. Do you brush your teeth every day? So keep yes. I brush my teeth twice a day. Keep twice. Clear? Next. Do you take a bath every day? Again keep yes as blank and then bath as blank. Clear? So these are the words you have to fill up. Then about your house, it is given in fill in the blanks pattern. About your school, given in fill in the blanks pattern. Okay? So conversation we have completed. Now we will begin with our handwriting. Page number 7. We will start with page number 7. I know today's class is a lengthy one, no? What to do? We have to do this. No? We have to study. We have to work hard for our half yearly. Right? So let's go for it. All of you take out your handwriting book. Page number 7. Let's go for it. Now see. We have these words. How many words are there first? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pictures are also given so that you identify well. What is this? Apple. What is the spelling? A-P-P-L-E. You start with a capital letter. What is this? Axe. A-X-E. You start with a capital letter. Next, what is this? S. A capital, then S small letter. And the last picture is ant. This is ant. A-N-T. So start with capital and then N-T small letter. Now you have to trace 4 lines. See, this one, this one, this one and this one. 4 boxes are given to you. You have to first of all trace and write, trace the dots and write, and then these lines you have to fill up by yourself. So without wasting time, let's start. How we will do? We will start from here. Now follow the pattern. Done? Again go up. Take a turn here. Move on. Go down. Again go up. Down. Again up. Down. So do not lift your pencil. It should move on like this. Clear? Keep on moving your pencil in this way. I am using pen. You will use your pencil. Apple. Okay? Once again, I hope you have understood. Now we will repeat the words after me. Okay? So this is A. First you go down and then again this way. Do not lift your pencil. Then this is P. Okay? Done. Again this is P. Done. This is L. Done. And then we move to E. Clear? How do we write this over here? Let's see. I hope you all can see this. Okay, I have started, huh? So I'll go up here. Then I will go this way. I will come down. Then again here. Again I will go this way, come down here. Done? Now L and E. Clear? Okay, next. X we will write. So A you have already learned. Now from here, see, you go this way, back to this side, again go this way. So you can't lift your pencil. So yeah, I have started from here. Done. It's very easy. And X. Clear? Next, again A. You have learnt A. So you go up again. Hold your pencil tightly, huh? Now give a twist here. Come back here again. Again give a twist here. Clear? So how will you write? A you already know how to write. Done. Next, you will write and. Take your time, hold on, and write the letters. Take your time, okay? A-N-T. You have to write in this way and cut over here. Give a cut over here, okay? Now let's write here. A you have already learnt. So you will go same way. Clear? Then this is N. Now T you take it up and give a cut over here. Clear? So in this way you have to write apple, axe, S, and. Keep in mind you cannot lift your pencil and curve the letters, start writing. Okay? So complete this page number 7. Okay? So today till this month. So did you all get what we have to do? You have to write the letters, you have to join the letters and frame the word. Okay, 4 words we have done in handwriting, page number 7. Apple, axe, S, and. So all the words starts with A. That means when you start writing, you will learn to write these letters. You will learn to write these letters. Always start with a capital letter and then move on. Clear? Any confusion? Do ask me. I'm always there. Okay? So today till this much. I know you are tired today, no? So today till this much. We will meet again in the next class and I will share your HW. Take care. Bye-bye.